Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on my age. In this video, students will be looking at their ages and doing various activities involving their ages. And here are some activities. They are just suggestions. Each student can be asked to write down his or her age. Students can be asked to draw a cake. Students can be asked to draw the number of candles on the cake which are equal to their age. Students can then be asked to draw a colourful number on the cake that represents their current age. Students can be asked the following questions. They can respond verbally, sharing their answers with the class on a voluntary basis. Number 1. Do you like birthday parties? Did you have a party for your birthday? If so, tell the class something about the party. Can you name a friend who was at last year's birthday party? Can you name a relative who was at last year's birthday party? Did you receive any presents for your birthday? If so, can you name some of the presents? And here's another activity involving a number line. Students can be asked to draw a number line similar to the one below. Students can then be asked to think about their current age. They can be asked to draw a coloured dot that represents their current age on the number line. And the exercises are continued on the next slide. After that, they can be asked to perform the following tasks. Write down the number that is one less than the number you have coloured in on the number line. Was this your age last year? Write down the number that is one more than the number you have coloured in on the number line. Will this be your age next year? How old were you 2 years ago? How old will you be in 2 years from now? Next, they could be asked to perform the following tasks, and these are just suggestions, and I'm sure the teachers can think of many more. Write down your current age. What is the number which is 3 less than your current age? What is the number that is 3 more than your current age? Write down your age and the age of one of your friends. Add these two ages together. So this video has presented some basic exercises relating to the ages of the students, and we've seen some related questions and activities.